I'm joined here by Megan at IntellectAI. We're at InsurTech Hartford Symposium 2025. Megan, here's something a little interesting question I have for you. I consider myself an early adopter of AI. I build workflow tools to help me in my day-to-day, drive efficiency. And that's really, it's interesting from a cost perspective, but not necessarily from a business outcome perspective. How does your technology think about business outcomes a little differently than just efficiency and workflow?
Absolutely. So we think about bringing into an underwriting workbench, underwriting sophistication. So not just working on the workflow and the process and quoting and rating and issuing and binding, but like what are the actual tools an underwriter needs to make better underwriting decisions, make more informed underwriting decisions. So we're using AI agents, expert agents, to go out and take a look at a carrier's underwriting guidelines and take a look at all the facts extracted from a submission and comparing the facts to the underwriting guidelines, and then helping an underwriter understand of that risk, what is the mix of exposures in terms of what are the things that are most desirable, the things that are fine, and the things that are less desirable. And then you leave the decision back to the underwriter to help understand, does the good way outweigh the bad? Can you offset it with terms and conditions?
Got it. So I hear human in the loop. I hear improved loss ratio. I hear more effective underwriting, more consistent underwriting.
Correct. It also helps with talent management. So if you think about something like, really making sure everyone is working off the most up-to-date underwriting guidelines, you're giving newer underwriters to the industry the same power as people that have had years and years of experience, or new underwriters to a company where they're used to underwriting, but they don't know a new company's underwriting appetite. These are the guardrails that you put in, where you're still empowering the underwriter to make the decisions that make sense, where they're using their gut expertise. That's why we hire our underwriters. But they understand how the company views risk and exposure.
Got it. I know I, for one, I love going to bed at night reading the entirety of my commercial lines underwriting manual, and I would rather do that than use AI.
More than anything. And you're definitely going to want to look at it every day to see if there's anything that's updated or changed. So this definitely, more consistent is absolutely the thing. So this is one of the things that we think is a differentiator of our underwriting workbench, is really thinking about sophistication analysis. What do the underwriters need so that they're not gathering and searching and organizing data to then take a look and go, okay, what do I think about this? Right. We're serving it up to them so they can say, what do I think about this? Right. And then do it.
Love it. Megan, thank you so much for your time. I'm with Megan from IntellectAI. Thanks again.
Thank you.